Fiducials determine whether your boards assemble flawlessly or become expensive scrap. When fiducials don't match the Gerber data, SMT machines align to the wrong target, shifting every placement. In dense layouts, that's how perfect designs turn into bridging, tombstones, opens, and hidden field failures. Some CMs only catch fiducial errors after stencils are cut, when time is lost and costs are locked in. At Camptech, we verify size, shape, clearance, position, and layer alignment to plus or minus 0.025 millimeters, meeting IPC Class 3. Camptech stops fiducial errors before they stop your build.